Hello guys, welcome back again to Kelitos TV. If you're new here, I say a warm welcome to you. Today we're cooking rice and we're cooking it with gold beets. For those of you who do not know gold beets, this is how gold beets looks like. It just looks like regular beets, but just a different color. And this is how it looks like when you've cut it. So I already went ahead, cleaned, cut it into pieces. Now you have to cut it into small pieces because it takes time to cook, and therefore you don't want to cut it into like big chunks where like your rice will be cooked and then the beets will not be cooked. So it has to be in small pieces, right? So gold beets is what we're using for this rice. This is basmati rice, and then this is some leftover spring onions that I cut, and then I have some salt and some oil. I tried this rice, it tasted very good. It has this sweet side and the color is so appealing as well. So I wanted to share the recipe with you. There are so many health benefits for beets. I would encourage you to go online, research for yourself. So let's get started. Friends, our beet is not yet done, so we will give it some few more minutes. We just want to make sure that you're giving it enough water for the beets to be well cooked. So we're going to go ahead and cover it again and let it cook for some 5 more minutes. But it's looking good, it's smelling good. I cannot wait to taste it. Almost there. The only way you will know is to take one and try to press it. It has to be like soft. So we will cover it and let it cook for a few more minutes. Hey guys, look at our rice. It is done. Look at the color. Now our beet is soft. Well, friends, there you have it. Gold beetroot rice. Looks so good, tastes good. Please try it and let me know in the comment section how it turned out. I thank you so much for watching. Please share, comment, like, and we'll see you in the next one. Be safe. God bless you. Bye.